Y'all already know what's going on, fam. It's your boy Al. Y'all tuned back in with them Jennings boys, man. And we back with another video for y'all, man. Make sure y'all go like, comment, share, subscribe. Hit that post notification bell. Let's keep running these numbers up, man. Back in the Tesla Model X. About to hit 75. 285, 75. You know it's going down. About to show y'all how this what's it called? Self-drive work. You gotta hold the camera though, Otto. Show them how this self-drive work, man. Steering wheel on. Let's see. Punch it 2 times. Alright, bam. Keep hands on the wheel. Be prepared to take over. Alright, she driving, y'all. Then I gotta keep putting my hands on the wheel or it's gonna. Man, I done fucked up on the auto drive, y'all. I missed the exit. Look, she don't know what to do. This motherfucker out like it's gonna wreck, cuz I don't trust this. You don't trust it? Scared she gonna hit something. She doing weird shit. Look, it's going slow though. Speed up. It's driving itself though. Okay. Like kick out. Now you gotta grab the wheel every so often or it time out. They won't let you do it no more. Alright, no. Let's see if it'll get over. I don't trust that at all. Damn. I mean, it's staying in the lanes though. It's staying in the lanes. I just don't trust it. Cruise control will not brake. I can see the lane turning, we turning. I don't know how to get over though. Every so often, they got this new sensor on here though. Every so often you gotta grab the wheel or it'll turn out. And they won't let you do it no more. This motherfucker staying off. Otto. Fucking nice, bro. I'm over here, man. I'm intrigued, bro. I'm over here shocked. This motherfucker just in the lane, bro. Like it ain't turning. You wanna try it out? Go ahead. You wanna try it out? Alright. I'll let Otto try it out next, man. Let him get in this driver's seat. Hold on. Before it turn off. Damn. I don't like it because you gotta keep hitting the gas and shit to go faster. Because when you got it on this cruise control, it goes slow. Alright, y'all, we done hit a traffic jam and it's self-driving. Look, I ain't got my feet on the pedals or nothing. Look, feet off the pedals. It's going and stopping on its own. Oh, this the only cool part when you get in this traffic jam, boy. You just chill. This motherfucker drive itself. That's the only thing I would use it for. I wouldn't use this to regular drive. I'm cool on that. I don't trust it. Then it show all the cars on there that's passing and shit. It show everything. I see that. It show everything next to it. I still wouldn't buy one of these motherfuckers though.
Faithfully, go ahead.
This just ain't my speed, bro. This ain't my speed at all.
Go give me the car, man. I just need my car.
I need that motor, man. I've been in that hellcat too long already. I need that motor, man. I need to be able to fire some rubber. I need to be able to spin a block. Spin it one more time. And this Atlantic traffic, it says it's gonna take us 45 minutes to get back still. Hopefully we don't run out of juice. We charged up this morning, man. We only got 80%, 80 miles left. Hopefully we make it back. Cause I only know where one charge station is, so hopefully we make it back. We gonna see. Got Otto behind the wheel.
You already know what it is, man.
Tesla, how you like it so far, man?
Smooth, bro. I had to get used to it, though. I had to get real used to it.
What's
quick.
that? What's that?
What's up?
Cause you got your foot on the gas.
Yeah, you know.
That cruise control.
I'm trying to let it cruise, man. I was gonna let it glide, but I'm not used to it. This bitch nasty, though. So I'm out drive, though. I ain't gonna push it.
Alright. We're about to get on the highway in a second. Good. 26 miles. And then you pull that lever back 2 times and put it in the self-driving mode. You gonna do it now or you gonna wait till you get on the highway?
I'm gonna see on the highway when we get on there.
This is a lot of little turns and shit.
Oh.
Alright, y'all.
Thing y'all all been waiting for, man. The auto drive shit. Let's see.
Auto and the auto drive.
Let's see this bitch. How you push it? You push it
Take
down?
it back twice. Like pull it back twice. Pull it back twice.
Pull it back.
Like pull it back twice. There you go.
Oh shit, I don't like that.
Yeah, there you
I
go.
don't like this, bro.
You see what I'm talking about?
Oh, nah. Cuz, this ain't it. Cuz, this shit is scary.
Yeah.
Oh, nah, bitch, where you going? Why you going over to the right fold? Hell no.
Hey, you feel like it's gonna hit something, don't it?
Yeah, but that bitch going to the right. Why is it going to the right?
That's why you be scared to take your hands off.
Alright, nah, we ain't doing that no more, y'all. Alright, hold on, I'll do it one time just for the video purpose, bro. Hold on. Bro. Good. You feel that too?
Yeah,
I'm not tripping,
hit it
bro.
again, hit it again. Alright, there you go. I'm driving this
Okay. Had to get used
keep
to
your hands close, dog. I don't trust this motherfucker. Let's see if it turns. Let your hands off.
They turning.
It's turning.
This is by your hands slightly.
You got it to the right.
Just letting it do. Honestly, y'all, I'm not doing nothing, bro. I'm just letting it do what it do, so I won't, you know what I'm saying, lose the privilege of having autopilot.
Yeah, they done made that update too after that wheel, bro. It be like no more autopilot for the rest of the trip.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. My hands on here, though. This bitch turning by itself, folks. Dog, it's something to get used to. This shit's scary for real.
You still wanna buy this motherfucker?
I mean, I'll buy it, but I ain't trying this autopilot mode, bro. I'm cool on the autopilot. I'll buy it just because it's electric and it's cheaper.
I'm cool on the electric, man.
But
You gotta sit there and wait for it to charge up. See everybody sitting in their car at the charge station?
yeah,
That shit be dead as fuck. Everybody sitting in the car at the charge station. Waiting on that shit to charge up.
that's what I'm saying.
Gas, you just gas and go. All you gotta do is wait on the pump. If you got Sam's stuff, you wait on the pump. Other than that, gas and go, man. So all this charging shit. I was down there scared earlier. We was stuck in traffic. We was gonna run out of power.
Real,
That's run out of power. It's a wrap. Ain't nobody bringing you no gas, no power. Somebody could bring you some gas. How the fuck they bring you some power?
Look goofy.
Bring a big ass plug. They got a Tesla truck, a Tesla roadside assistance.
Shit, probably. I won't be surprised.
And I don't like how when you let off the gas, as soon as you let off the gas, it's like the brakes apply.
Nah, I don't like
It
that.
don't coast. If you ain't got it on that cruise control, it don't coast.
I love that coasting shit. That's one thing I do like about it. You know, cars, period. But other than that, if it don't coast, I am cool.
Put me back in that Rose truck, man. So that's what we should have been in. Yeah. Lamb chop, Rose truck, something nasty.
We will though. We will though real soon.
We're gonna hop in something nasty next time, y'all. Real motherfucking soon, y'all. Definitely won't be getting another one of these.
I will.
One thing cool is the shit on the inside, this big ass mat, this big screen. And I can't say you ain't gotta touch no buttons. Everything got a button for it. The doors, the seats, the everything. I do got this big ass roof too. Shit, I'm going to turn it in, man. Make sure y'all go like, comment, share, subscribe.